Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create Huobi global trading platform, what exactly features, how to sign up, and how to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency using Huobi global platform. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So you can do same process on your smartphone also. You just simply type here Huobi global, enter. First link is display here. I am putting this link in same video description. You just simply click on that link and come on that particular platform. So other informations are available here. So what exactly Bitcoin currency price here, it's so high, like a $46,000 now. Start your crypto journey today. So some basic informations are available here. Manage your asset, credit card payment, secure storage data. So we sign up first. So I click here and sign up. So sign up point of view, which region you are living automatically display here, like in Denmark. So I type here my email address, my password, again time password, both password are same, 8 to 20 digit is required, and sign up. Verify point of view, I receive one OTP on my email address like Research Rocks. So now I open my email address. Yeah, I receive one OTP 4470. Sign up is automatically sign up successfully. They are provide you welcome bonus 170 like this. Click on that particular welcome bonus. New user trade now, get up 170 welcome bonus, get start, follow task. So now get start, like complete ID verification, you receive 10 US dollars, swipe account, you receive 10. Like here deposit some money, like $100 you deposit, so you take $30 more. They are distribute about how much money you receive. That point of view, this all overall money comes in $170, as well as you can invite your friend and earn much more money. So here is my profile. I click the profile here. So security level is very low for this two-step authentication. I am not activate here. Phone number, you link your phone number here. Email address, you add your email address, receive OTP, your mobile number is verified. Google authentication, for logging perspective you need two combination between your application. You use this verification also. Third party account authentication, you want third party like a Facebook, Apple ID, or Google means Gmail, so you can link accordingly. Login password, found password, and some other informations are available here. ID verification, advanced verification, ID card, passport or driving license, you can select as a passport, and just only simple 5 minutes take a time. Start verification, so like continue on mobile, take a picture or upload via your device. So I have some pictures, so I can choose and upload here, and then verify this document. Some other informations are available here. And now buy to cryptocurrency, here buy/sell, buy and sell very easily. So suppose for example, what exactly you are buying, which cryptocurrency you are buying. Suppose for example, I want buy Bitcoin. You just simply select here in US dollar or which currency you are related. So in 1000 US dollar I buy the Bitcoin 0.021216%, and like buy Bitcoin, click here, simply go to verification, first name, middle name, last name, address, confirmation, and buy the Bitcoin. It's quite simple. Here is market related information, Bitcoin price or each one, Ethereum price, all informations are available here. Some other informations are also available here. Sporty trading is are there, like some different graphical user interface here. What exactly crypto price is going to down here, again up down up down up down, and then the reach here. Coin margin features, coin margin swap, that one is quite amazing. You do same process, it's quite simple.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.